I sold wart remover. How do I make that exciting? If you have warts, I have the cure. Check out my eBay store. Hey guys, it's Angie. Today is Monday, December 21st, a few days before Christmas, and I want to share with you some of the items that I actually sold over the weekend. I did a what sold last week, and I sold a bunch of items over the weekend, so I thought I would share with you where those items came from and how much I sold. So let's get right into it. This little guy right here just sold. He was a 9-inch Cabela's little plush moose. I love selling plush, and he sold for $11.96 plus shipping. I've had these Caterpillar boots for a few months. I did have them listed for $49.95, but somebody made me an offer of $35, and I was like, sure, it's a few days before Christmas. I'm happy to get the sale. Then I did sell a pair of Birkenstocks. They're the Papillo or the Papillo. I'm not sure how you would say it. But super, super cute sandals. I wish they were my size, but they were too small. They did sell for $39.95 plus shipping. The next item I had found at a yard sale was this 2X Ralph Lauren Oxford. Okay. The next item that I found was this button-down Ralph Lauren shirt. Brand new in the packaging. I did pay $1 for it and sold it for $29.95. And then this was the very final piece out of all of the speaker set that I found for $5. I had 2 fronts, 2 sides, a subwoofer, and then this piece. And I did take a best offer of $24.95 plus the buyer paid shipping. So I was super happy. $5 investment, and I made well over $120 for it. Then I sold this little Harry Potter Universal Studios mug. It sold for full price, $25.95. It's going to go priority mail because it's a little bit heavier, and it's probably going to cost me about $10 to ship it, only because I want to make sure it's super padded and in a box so it doesn't get damaged when it's shipping. This item I got from Crazy Cazboys. Love that place. This was $1 a day I found this. It was a brother toner. It is obviously out of the box, but it is unused, and it sold for $26.95, and that included the shipping, but the shipping's probably going to be right about $7.50 for this because it's under start over on this one. So this is one of the items that I got from Crazy Cazboys a few weeks ago, actually. I believe this was on Dollar Day I found this item, and so I have $1 into it. It did sell for $26.95. Probably going to be about $9 to ship it because I do want it to go priority mail in a box, but it was unused, but it had no box and no plastic bag that it came in, but it still sold for a good price. Not bad for $1. The rest of my items all came from Crazy Cazboys last Wednesday on 25-cent day. Yeah, I paid 25 cents for all of these items. I think I listed most of these on Friday, and they all sold this weekend. So let's take a look. The first item was this AccuCheck Lancets. They sold for $25. Now, they did have a close expiration, and so that's why I sold them lower price than the competition, but it sold in less than a day. Then I had 2 of these Proactive green tea moisturizers. You can see this one sold and this one sold. Both of them for $19.95. Both first class, going to be about $3.50 to ship both of those. Not bad for 25 cents. Then I had this aftershave. It sold for $19.95. Another first class item. Kilo Coat, I guess this is, which is a scar gel. Just digging through the bins, I found this. It sold for $17.95. Navage Salt Pods. They are basically nasal decongestant, I think. The box had some damage, but the inside packages were all completely still sealed. Those sold for $16.95. Vacuum bags. Last time I got these at 25-cent day, they sold in a day. Same with this time, $15.95. And they were super big packaging, but totally lightweight and went for first class shipping. Eminence Organic Skincare. Listed it, and the very next day it sold full price, $29.95. Viviscal, it's a man's hair growth supplement, and you could see it actually expired of July 2020. I did put that in. I listed it lower price than the other competition, and it sold in a few hours for $14.95. And then I wish I had bought all of these. These are organic mother's milk tea. I was selling 2 boxes, but if you see, I had a total of 4 boxes. Both of them sold to the same buyer, so I sold 4 boxes of tea for $39.95. So $1 in for $39.95. That's a great deal. And then the last thing I sold were these 2 wart remover sets for $13.95. 2 boxes, so it cost me 50 cents, but still, it was like almost an immediate sale after I listed it. Super happy to have those. So I'm trying to do my own rules, which are list more, and it seems like the items that I listed are actually the things that sold, which is great. I am ending my listings and selling similar. I have made sure that I am running promoted listings, and I'm back to running my sales. With those items, I'm definitely doing better with my sales and ramping back up. Now, I'm not listing like I need to be. It is Christmas week, so I am kind of taking it easy. For the amount of money that I've invested in inventory over the last few weeks, it's very, very low, so my return on investment is amazing. When I went to Cazboys, I spent $28 on just over 100 items. I don't even have all of them listed, and the very first sale out of that was 4 of the mother's milk tea. So that one sale was $39.95. The shipping ended up being $8 for those 4 boxes. So I was already in the profit from that very first sale. I figure you can't go wrong when you're spending 25 cents on an item. Now with Crazy Cazboys, you have to be a member, so that costs $15 a year, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. Now be prepared, crazy crowds, crazy long lines, but if you have it in you to fight the crowd and stand in line, you'll make some good profit. I'm eating a salad because I can't think of what I want to say to you people. I have nothing good today. Know them. So those were my weekend sales. I hope you had great sales this weekend as well, or maybe you're just winding down, getting ready for the holidays, which is a really good idea as well. As for me, I'm just going to try to get caught up, do a lot of wrapping of presents, and just getting ready to spend time with my family, and that's about it. And I figure that next week I will get back on track and make sure that I really am doing a lot more listing and just kind of try to enjoy this week. So I hope you're having a great holiday week and your family is all ready and you have all your presents ready, and make sure you get wrapping your gifts. And I will see you guys soon. I'm Angie. Thanks for stopping. Bye.